Hi everyone, welcome to the Active 2.0 support video series. My name is Raul with Active Products, and today we're going to be diving in on how to troubleshoot your Active 2.0. In today's video, we'll be going over how to identify and troubleshoot leaking that you might experience on your Active 2.0. Connection points are natural places for leaking to occur, so should you notice leaking on your unit, it's important that we check these connection points first. Ensure that your garden hose that is connected to your unit has the correct connector that has been threaded correctly. Disconnect the hose and confirm that the hose uses a 3/4 inch standard garden hose adapter. You can then reconnect your garden hose. You should only ever hand tighten your hose. Ensure that you are not cross-threading the connection by slowly connecting it using minimal force. Another connection we must check is the high pressure hose. Disconnect the hose and inspect the end to ensure that there's no damage to the threads. If you're using an aftermarket hose, please ensure that it uses the correct M22-14mm connection. If no damage to the threads are seen and the hose uses the correct connection, reconnect the hose to the unit and tightening only. Ensure the threads catch properly before tightening to avoid cross-threading. Once these steps are completed, double check your connections to ensure that they are all tight and secure. Another common cause of leaking can be a result of damaged O-rings or defective accessories. With the water off, disconnect the hose and check the length of it. We're looking for any signs of a kink or a split in the rubber that may cause a leak. Kinks can impede water flow, causing leaking due to pressure buildup. A split in the hose will also prevent your unit from performing correctly. Unfortunately, there's no way to repair a broken hose, and it will need to be replaced. Clogged or defective nozzles. It's possible to experience leaking around the nozzle's head. Remove the spray tip and inspect the tip for any forms of damage. If no damage can be seen, it's possible that the spray tip has had its orifice clogged with debris. Locate your included cleaning needle and insert it into the output end of your spray tip. This should remove the obstruction in the spray tip. Reinsert the spray tip back into the wand, and if you continue to experience leaking, please reattempt these steps with another spray tip. Gun valve and O-ring. If you experience leaking out of the spray tip orifice while the trigger is not being squeezed, it's typically indicative of a broken gun valve. Unfortunately, the gun valve can prove very difficult to repair, and most repair attempts fail. If you experience this with your gun, most likely it will need to be replaced. It's important to confirm your accessories are compatible with Active 2.0. Incompatible accessories can cause leaking as well as other issues with your unit. Starting with your pressure hose. Ensure any aftermarket accessories meet the following standards. Ensure your pressure hose is steel braided rubber. Ensure your hose is no longer than 100 feet in length. Ensure your hose has compatible M22-14mm connections. Ensure any quick connects used are M22-14 compatible. And in addition, ensure that the pressure and flow rating exceed the output of the pressure washer. Almost all aftermarket hoses do. With respect to the garden hose, ensure that the hose is no longer than 100 feet in length. Ensure that the hose is a standard GHA connection, which are 3/4 inch, 11.5 TPI connections for North America. Ensure if any use of quick connections that they're 3/4 inch, 11.5 TPI compatible. If you've replaced your unit's nozzles, please ensure that the aftermarket nozzle orifice size is between 3.5 and 5.0. If you want to reduce the orifice size below 3.5, it may draw more than 15 amps and cause damage to your pressure washer. Finally, confirm your gun and wand adhere to the following. Your gun is compatible with your hose and lance. If your gun inlet and outlet is threaded, ensure that the hose and lance is threaded as well. If your inlet and outlet are quick connections, then your gun needs to match the same. In addition, ensure that the pressure and flow rating exceed the output of the pressure washer. Again, almost all aftermarket guns do. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.0, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@activeproducts.com. We'd love to help you. Hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.